Hello, today we are going to discuss about the topic is real life application of complex variables. Let us discuss with our students.
I'm Pooja from first year of Technology Department. Here we are going to discuss the real life applications of complex variables. So the following applications are in electrical engineering and circuit analysis. Complex numbers represents AC circuits where voltage and current oscillate sinusoidally. Impedance is expressed as complex quantity combining resistance and reactance. Engineers use complex analysis to design filters, amplifiers, and transformers. Helps calculate phase difference between voltage and current wave. Used in power grid designs to manage energy transmission efficiently. Simplifies analysis of circuits with capacitors and inductors that would otherwise require complex differential equations.
I'm Prabhashati, first year food technology student. One of the real-life applications of complex variables is aerodynamics and fluid mechanics, used to study how air moves around airplane wings to understand lift and drag. Conformal mapping is a method that changes complex wing shapes into simple ones, so they are easier to study. Helps engineers design better wing shape to save fuel. Used to understand how water flows around submarines, ships, and racing cars. Helps find areas where air or water flows becomes rough or stops. Used in designing wind turbines blades to produce more energy efficient.
I am Pratisha from first year of technology. The real life application of complex variables in signal processing and telecommunication are as follows. Fourier transform built on complex variables breaks any signal into its frequency components, used in mobile phone networks to encode and decode voice or data signals, powers noise cancellation in headphones and hearing aids, enables image and audio compression, formats like JPEG images and MP3, used in radar and sonar systems to detect objects and measure distances. Fundamental to MRI machines for scanning in hospitals for processing scan data.
I am Shruti from first year of technology. I am here to discuss about the applications of complex variables in geophysics and earthquake engineering. It is used to analyze seismic waves traveling through earth help scientists locate the epicenter of earthquakes accurately, model stress and strain distribution in rock formations underground. Used in oil and gas exploration to interpret subsurface geological data. Applied in declaring earthquake-resistant buildings by analyzing vibration frequencies. Helps in tsunami prediction by modeling wave propagation across oceans.
I'm Tracy from Food Technology. Here are some real-life applications of complex numbers in computer graphics and game developments. They are complex number multiplication, naturally encodes rotation and scaling of 2D objects used in rendering realistic lighting, reflection, and shadows in 3D environments. Powers phase fractal generations like the Mandelbrot set used in CGL landscapes and textures. Applied in animation physics engines to simulate realistic motions. Used in signal processing for audio engines within games for spatial sound effects. Enables imaging processing algorithms like edge reduction and texture filtering in graphic design tools.
Hello, I'm Vik. I'm here to conclude on the discussion about real-life applications of complex variables. Complex variables are far more abstract mathematics. They serve as a powerful tool across science and engineering. Electrical engineering, AC circuit analysis using impedance and phasors, fluid dynamics, modeling 2D irrational flow with the complex potentials. Signal processing, Fourier and Laplace transform rely on complex functions. Quantum mechanics, wave functions are inherently complex valued. Control systems, stability analysis via poles and zeros in the complex field. Aerodynamics, conformal mapping to design airflow ships. In essence, complex variable bridges pure mathematics and real-world problem solving, offering elegant and efficient solution to problems that would be far more difficult using only real analysis.